Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Sakafet. Hope everybody's doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, we got a good one for you today. We got my husband up in the building. He's gonna be doing this voiceover. Just a disclaimer, child, he knows nothing about makeup. But if you're interested in any particular product, please just take a look at the description box.
Okay, so I'm going to apply my first color from my palette. So I'm going to use my sponge, and I am dabbing. You know the sponge that you use to wash your plates? Yes, that's what I'm using. Yeah, so now I use my pencil, and I just just dab on top of the eyes. Now I use my purple to mix with my first color to give that little look, and then I use my yellow, like when the sun comes up in the morning, the nice bright yellow light that you see from the sun. Yes, that's the same color I'm using right now. My yellow to blend with my purple, getting my look going. Then I am gonna take my deep blue, like a deep blue sea. Yes, we're trying to get that deep blue sea look going on. So I use my deep blue to blend in with my purple, because purple is my favorite color, And I put a little white on. Is it white? White as it like snow. Right now we're in the winter season, So I'm trying to mix everything together. It's like the summer, the winter, everything in one. So yes, I use my pencil, my brush, and I dab and dab. Now we're gonna put a little darkness in the summer and the winter. So we use our dark color to dab on the side of our eyes. Yes, I use my dark color to dab on the side of my eyes. We want to get that look going, and when all these colors come in, it blends very nice. It's like when you take a blender, you put grapes, orange, all different fruits in the blender, it's like all in one. So I'm getting my look going. Yeah, I use my brush again and just mixing up. Yeah, it's just like a turntable as well. I am mixing up. Now I'm gonna go into the corner of my eyes right now. Yes, I'm gonna use that sparkling color. I do not know what color I'm putting on here right now, but it looks good. It's sparkling. You see like when you open a champagne, all the champagne sparkles. That's the look I'm trying to put out here right now. So yes, now I'm gonna put on my cat look right now. So I'm gonna take my dark, I'm gonna take my black, and I'm gonna put it at the side of my eyes. So we're getting our cat look on right now. Yes, my cat look. Yes. So yeah. So I'm getting there. We're getting our look going, and it looks lovely, ain't it? Yeah, very good. So yeah. I did the completion of my eyes off camera because I wear glasses, and without my glasses it causes my eyes a lot of pain. So right now I'm just taking my meds to ease up the pain. Okay, right now I am putting my moisturizer on, getting that face smoothing up and shining off. Yes, I'm using my white moisturizer. Yes, the more moisturizer you put, is the smoother, is the softer the face becomes. Yes, so we're just getting set so that we could do our foundation right now. So we are moisturizing. Yes, so now I'm getting my foundation going. I'm taking my brush and then I am dabbing in, getting my foundation going. It's like when you're building a house, you got to put your foundation to build your house strong. So we're setting that strong foundation right now by using our Sephora brush to dab in. Yes, and we are continuing dabbing. Oh, what a beautiful look I have here already. So yes, we're gonna use our another brush and we're gonna go underneath the eye. We're gonna make it a little brighter, a little bit more attractive by using what color am I using here? Is it a little yellow color? I'm not certain about that, but anyways, whatever color it is, it doesn't matter. But anyway, it looks good on me, right? So yes, now we go to the forehead. Yes, the forehead I said, not the 10 head. Yes, now we're continuing with our dabbing on the forehead, dabbing on the chin. And now we are using our Sephora brush once more, and we have some colors, you know, it's like when you're painting, yeah, like using a paintbrush to paint. So yeah, I'm doing some painting right now. So I'm putting on the side of my face, as you can see. I really want to get that look going, you know, make it look very, very, very beautiful. Yes, to the left, I'm going to the left, I'm going to the right. I look pretty though, I know that I look pretty. You don't have to tell me that, I know that. So yes, we're going a little bit faster now when we're running. Yes, now we get our another brush and we do our nose. And we write on our nose. I know that my nose is not that big, but it's presentable, it's straight and it's pretty. Now I move to my forehead once more. And I am dabbing using my okay, now I use my another brush and I'm adding a little bit more color. So a little earlier we had it looking a little bit white, but now we put in a little bit more color now to get the look more outstanding. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. And then we move back to our nose, then our lip, then back to the forehead, and we are continuing painting. I know that you all like my look. Don't I look pretty? Yes, I know that I look pretty. Oh yeah. Yes, then we use our white kerchief, you know, just to put a little lip gloss on there, just to smoothen up the look, you know. Then we take our pencil again and we go black to and we're doing the tip of the eyes. Yeah, then we go back down to the lip and we're just smoothing the lip a little bit now. Yeah, how you like that? Yeah, and if you want to look good like me, you know, you could I could let you know what I'm using to do my makeup, and yes, I will surely give you the information. So we're adding a little purple right now on my lip. I'm adding a little purple to match with on top of my eyes, because on top of my eyes I have purple and pink, and you know, when you combine purple and pink, it gives you a good look. Wow, don't I look outstanding? Oh yeah, I look outstanding, I look beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for every new uploaded videos. I'll catch you on the next one.